Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound, US Dollar, GBP, USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we all know that GBP, USD is extremely bullish. Market looks unstoppable. And in this type of market, following the trend should be your only strategy. Because right after NFP and CPI, DXY or the dollar index started falling, as a result of which we got to see good amount of upside on GBP, USD, Euro, USD and others, and the falling pressure, or not the falling pressure, the selling pressure, okay, the selling pressure on DXY is still continuing. We have already discussed in our previous videos that 100.80 was the last support on DXY, and after 100.80, okay, market was about to hit double digit. We were expecting double digit on DXY, and yes, after breaking 100.80, DXY is trading on double digit right now, standing at 99.63. So the selling pressure is still very much present on DXY and further fall possible. In case of extreme selling pressure, if market tries to recover also during the day, do not consider it as a trend reversal, because fundamentals are pushing the market down. In case the DXY shows upside also, that will just be a correction, temporary recovery. In that case, 100.80 will be the next resistance, and I don't think so DXY has the strength, power to cross 100.80 in this market situation where sellers are fully dominating the market. And if you look at a chart of GBP USD, then to be honest, we do not have much to discuss, so I'll try to keep the video short, because as I said, in this market situation, following the trend is the only trading strategy, because we have two aspects of the market: following the fundamentals and following the technicals. And as traders, especially as retail traders, it is very important for us to know when to follow the fundamentals, when to follow the technicals. And right now the market is going up because of fundamental reasons. So as a result, in this type of market situation, following the trend is the only survival strategy you can follow. Okay, and if you're looking for resistance to take a sell position, and if you have already taken a sell position, then you have done a bad job, because market is still very bullish and further upside possible. Today we have a news coming up during the US session. Michigan consumer sentiment. Michigan consumer sentiment is not a big event that will completely change the direction of the market. But yes, in case market shows a correction, okay, then you can try to book your loss and try to exit from the market. But beginners, new traders, you need to be careful during the news event, because there will be some volatility. Okay. And in this type of market situation, the static support resistance also do not work. As a result, you all need to take a buy at retracement. And in this market, as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that previous resistance is working as support, or market is taking support at the moving averages. And here you can see that the 200 moving average and the 100 moving average is far away. So as a result, you only need to trust on two things right now: the 20 moving average. Usually I do not use 20 moving average, but in this market situation where market is not coming for retracement, obviously we will have to switch to a faster moving average. As a result, we are using 20 moving average and then 50 moving average. These are the two moving averages you should be using during the day. If market comes for retracement, observe the market on 20 moving average. If market takes support and bounces, go for a buy if the market continues the upside. But on the other hand, if you see that the red candle continues, then obviously you need to use your common sense, no buy here, and wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average. And in this market situation, there's a good chance that market will getting the required support around the 50 moving average. If market bounces from the 50 moving averages, you can definitely click on the buy button. And as I said, apart from moving averages, the previous resistances, the swing highs are also working as support here. So, and this is not a proper swing high here, my dear friend, but still you can consider this level. Let me write it down. It's 1.3080 or 1.3075. This is another level where you can expect the previous swing high will be acting as the new support here. So these are the levels where you can expect the market to take a buy position. Keep in mind, this market is under the dominance of buyers because of fundamentals, and fundamentals give direction to the market. As a result, following the trend is the only survival strategy here. Dollar index is very much bearish. As a result, further downside possible. If dollar index shows some recovery, also keep in mind that will be a temporary recovery. Okay, and as a result, taking a buy at retracement is the best trading strategy here. If market comes down to the previous resistance and takes support and bounces, means previous resistance will be working, working as support. If you see anything like that where market taking support and bouncing, you can go for a buy. If it doesn't work, then observe the market around 50 moving average or the 20 moving average. 50 is a much reliable moving average, but yes, market is extremely bullish. As a result, we are using a faster moving average, the 20 moving average as well. Right now, I'm recording this video in the Asian session. Okay, so things are a little bit slow right now. But by European session, US session, you can expect some volatility. So please be careful and trade accordingly. Okay, volatility of the market plays a very dominant role, because a volatility only decides whether a market will be respecting a level or not. So in this case, let's wait and watch whether market takes support around the 20 moving average or 50 moving average. Right now, I'm analyzing the market on the 1 hour time frame. You can also do that, or you can also simply switch to a 15 minutes time frame as well. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Today's Friday. Hopefully, you all made good profit because market was trending. So do not make a silly mistake, take a bad trade, and lose all the capital or the profit of the whole week. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So follow proper risk management, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money.